Hello, everyone. And if you're wondering how to pronounce this word, well, I've got good news for you. Because this word is pronounced. Do not say lady beetle emoji, ribbon emoji, dip it all in mashed pea ring emoji, tat hibiscus flower emoji, then drip the mashed pea peach emoji, tat rosette emoji, heart eyes emoji, chicken nugget biscuit in the barbecue sauce, yum yum, gimme ribbon emoji, lady beetle emoji, at dcat. I hope I helped you learn how to pronounce this word and that you can now pronounce this word fluently. Please join the Discord below, and for earlier word suggestions to be announced, get to level 10 in the Discord server and you'll have access to priority words. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.